Hello folks, CAT 2023 is done, digested, not digested, it doesn't get digested that easily. It was a tough paper. I think I've done a bunch of videos saying how insanely tough the quant section was. Fine. So it's time to any which way say, look, if you've done well, great. And then say, look, even in the tough exam, I hung in there, I did my best. Many congratulations to you. Pick yourself up, don't lay back, don't be complacent. And then say, look, I'm going to attack XAT. Right? If you've not done well, give yourself 2 days, 3 days, 4 days to kind of digest it and say, look, theek hai. And then at some point of time you have to say, theek hai, you're all young, your entire career is ahead of you. So you have to say, look, how do I do the next one? The next one obviously is XAT. I've got so many instances of folks who have missed out by a smidgen in CAT or missed out by a mile in CAT and gone places on the back of their XAT. So we had one of our students who got 99.61 in CAT. Stellar academics, NIT Trichy grad, 95 plus in 10th, 97 plus in 12th, got a bunch of calls, didn't convert Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, Lucknow, got a 98.5 in or something, I don't remember the exact XAT percentile, but less than CAT it was, and then went to XLRI, did really well there, was a topper there, and then he went to Goldman Sachs and he had a, so I'm saying he did really well in CAT, but credit to him, he didn't say, look, CAT has gone well, I think I'm going to get a great score, and didn't switch off before XAT. He turned up for XAT, did well there as well. Less well than CAT, but that opened the doors. So you don't know where the door will get opened. XAT is a broad-based exam. Like SNAP is for only symbiosis. IFT used to be only for IFT. Now IFT is not even there. But XAT gives you a bunch of options. So lots of colleges you can apply with CAT or XAT. So take that seriously. The business decision-making section in XAT is a whole new ballgame. Don't wake up on January 1 and say, chalo, ab business decision making ke liye pad leta hu. Impossible. Because it's layered, it's a pain in the neck. I've solved the BDM questions for all the last 5-6 years and I have no handle on it. I put super fight because I'm committed to doing that for YouTube, and I speak with a bunch of people and try to see if some way we can create a mechanism to make it simple or make some framework. It is not easy. You have to get some practice in it to hold on to some anchor points and then go and take your chances. So don't wake up to business decision making with 10 days to go. XAT is a nice paper to prepare for, especially the quant is, there's more volatility, but there's some really juicy questions there. So it's a fun paper. We at 2IIM have a fabulous crash course for it. As ever, anything that 2IIM offers, you'll be able to check it out, you'll be able to validate it. So go online, do the trial part, go to YouTube, see the business decision making caselets that is there, that are available. So you'll know exactly what is sitting inside the course. Do your research, jump back onto the bandwagon as quickly as possible. Anyone who's thrilled with CAT performance, you probably can jump back that much sooner. If you're utterly distressed, you probably need 1 more day, 2 more days to just process it and say, theek hai, just don't bother me with anything now, I need 2 more days. Take those 2 days, it is important. We're not machines. We cannot just say, look, chalo, disappointment over, let me go on, do the next thing. We cannot do that. So I understand that. I'm not saying start today, but some point of time you draw a line and say, what next? And the very important what's next thing is XAT. Prepare for it. All the details about the course, everything is available on the description. Check that out. Best wishes for XAT.